Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Mailchimp, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you disconnect your Mailchimp integrations? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to change or remove your Mailchimp integrations anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that Mailchimp can integrate with a lot of different service providers, but if you integrated your Mailchimp to some service provider, maybe you forgot, you can log into your Mailchimp and disconnect that integration. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Mailchimp dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Mailchimp, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to disconnect your Mailchimp integrations, here on the left side, you're going to see this button, Integrations. Once you click there, you're going to see this menu pop up, and you want to click on Manage. Okay, once you click there, you're going to see all of the integrations and connections you have with your Mailchimp. So you can go ahead and scroll through and look for the provider that you want to remove. So for example, this one right here, and you can just click on the disconnect button next to it. All right, once you do that, you're going to get this warning that you're about to disconnect this integration for your Mailchimp. So the data between your Mailchimp and that provider are no longer going to be syncing. They also let you know that the data inside of whatever that integration was for remains the same. If you're okay with that, go ahead and click on disconnect. All right, quick second later, the page refreshes and you can see it's now been disconnected. So now you can just go through each of these integrations and disconnect whichever one you don't want. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to disconnect or remove your Mailchimp integrations, that's the easiest way I know how to find it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.